Eddie Binder here at Westlow Kia Carlsbad, and I am very excited to tell you about the 2019 Kia Niro LX. Now, this hybrid gas and electric engine vehicle is in the Guinness Book of World Records. They drove this vehicle from my hometown in New York all the way to LA, my wife's hometown, with less than 50 gallons of gas. 3.5 tanks is all it took to get from one side of the country to the other. This vehicle delivers an average of 50 miles to the gallon. Now, you're looking at what I call Cabo Blue. It's not what the factory calls it, but it's an interesting, stunning color that's kind of a darker teal that reminds me of being on vacation down south. Now, as we walk around and I show you the 1.6 liter engine, when it's in electric mode, you can't even hear it. Kind of an unusual thing that goes on sometimes, so it flips to gas to electric as needed. Anyway, a 1.6 liter engine delivering amazing gas mileage and an absolutely stunning mid-size crossover vehicle, what we call a CUV. Now, as you look at the side of the vehicle, couple things. Number one, you see the alloy wheels real sharp with the black accent, kind of a nice contrast with the color of the vehicle. Two really wide-angle doors. Now, you can keep the key in your pocket, unlock the car just by touching the button on the door, and you can see the door opens really wide, so it's very easy access. As you look at the rear door, also wide opening, 3 seat belts in the back, easy for me to get in and out, just like that. Easy and comfortable. Now, this Niro has a lot of storage space. As you look at the back of the vehicle, sharp, nice looking vehicle. I like the way they've accented the lower portions of the bumper, giving it kind of a nice modern look. As you pop open the rear hatch, you can see you got plenty of storage space. May not need to lay those rear seats down, but if you do, really easy to do. In the meantime, I want to show you got storage space under here, spare tires hidden there. They got compartments so you can have stuff not sliding around. That's like driving around in an old school station wagon. Plenty of room. This vehicle has the highest safety rating of any vehicle on the road, according to the Insurance Institute of Highway Safety. That is the Safety Plus rating, and that's in a nationally recognized grading system. So I'm gonna hop into the cockpit, tell you a little bit about what goes on in the inside of the car and why this vehicle is fun to drive. Well, first thing, you got a 7-inch widescreen, Sirius satellite radio. Your steering wheel is tilt and telescopic, so it adjusts all the features you could want. USB port, you have a USB port in your center console. You got your 12-volt inputs, auxiliary inputs. You have power windows, cruise control, all these features. You're looking at a vehicle that you can purchase for low 20s. On top of it, you get the best warranty in the business, 10-year, 100,000 mile. As you're driving down the road, you have all your controls right here at your fingertips, heads-up display. I can't describe it and really make you appreciate it. What you need to do is take time to come on down to the dealership, ask one of my guys to take this out for a spin. Any of our guys or gals here that are knowledgeable professionals who will help you and be patient to answer all your questions, tell you everything you need to know about the vehicle. And if you find it's the right vehicle for you, you'll be driving it home like I'm about to drive it off.